silent treatment is not health in relationship. It's better to communicate. Maybe you are upset with each other. It's better to communicate. Some of the people, they don't want to communicate. Maybe that person is keeping serious. It's better to have a person who talks too much. You know that my wife, when she is talking too much, she is upset, than a person who keeps quiet, because you don't know what that person is thinking sometimes. So sometimes, guys, it's better to sit down and you can communicate what's going on. Baby, I don't like it. I don't like this, the way you are acting. What is better than keeping quiet, because that person is keeping quiet. Maybe today that person is very happy, tomorrow quiet. Or maybe sometimes, guys, a person who is in silent all the times, that person, hey guys, it's very difficult to be in a relationship with that person. So sometimes, guys, it's better to sit down and communicate that, baby, I don't like this one, and you have to know that, yeah, my partner doesn't like this, doesn't like that, than a person who keeps quiet. You can saw that person is silent. Maybe you are trying to call her or call him, he doesn't pick your calls. And especially when you are dating someone who thinks that he is better than you or she is better than you, sometimes it happens in relationship. Because maybe sometimes we are in a relationship with those people who thinks that they are better than us. Why are you dating me? You think that you are better than me. It's better to go to those people who are you are in a same league with, or is you think that is your type. Maybe you are in a relationship with me, you think that I'm not your type, so I have to beg you. Most of the times I have to beg you. No, when you think that you are better than me, it's better to go. It's better to leave me than a person today. He is happy, he wants to talk to you, and especially when you're that person who was silent most of the time. He is silent treatment, keeping you with silent treatment. That person doesn't want you to be silent most of the time. When you are silent, he can be yet, why are you silent, what, but he wants you to beg him. Even you don't do anything, you can be say sorry to a person who didn't wrong that person. You didn't wrong that person just because he thinks that he is better than you or she is better than you. Even women or men, it's both sides. So sometimes, guys, when your partner is keeping you silent every time, it's better, guys, to have a partner who talks too much than a person who is silent, because a person who is silent is dangerous. You don't know what he is thinking of or she is thinking of.